Welcome to a GameEye2D tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be talking about camera zoom. The camera zoom I have on screen is dependent on how much the action is spread out. When the action is small, such as in a small box, the camera zooms in. If the action is spread out from each other, the camera zooms out. So, for starters, I'm actually going to go and remove zoom to fit, and we're going to show some basic scroll zooming. So what this does is allows your player to change the zoom through input. So I'm going to add smooth scroll zoom now, and if I hit play, I can use the middle mouse button to scroll in or out. This is the default axis. You can also affect it by going to Edit, Project Settings, Input, and just changing the appropriate axis. You can, of course, give it your own axis if you'd like. And now to zoom to fit. What zoom to fit does is it takes all the things in the focus list and it tries its best to match the zoom of the camera to the action rect that I have shown in a previous video. I'm going to turn draw debug on, and you see the zoom is almost identical to the scene. So if I hit play, just by adding zoom to fit in, it will just work. I am able to change the speed that it zooms in or out here. I'm also able to change how much the action has to change in order for the camera to start zooming in or start zooming out here with the threshold. And you see if I turn draw debug on, you notice that the thresholds are shown here. This is how much the action would have to shrink for the camera to zoom in. This is how much the action would have to grow in order for the action to zoom in, or for the camera to zoom in. That concludes this tutorial. In the following tutorial we're going to be talking about camera shake.